Okay, YouTubers, today, so 2010, 2008, Honda Accord. Tried to do a YouTube search on this, couldn't find it, so I figured, hey, what the hell, might as well do it in the junkyard. So a lot of people try to figure out how to take this off. I need this. How the hell you take this off? You don't do this and break it like I did right here and over here. See the little piece right here? Yeah, that belongs over there. So what you do, how do you take this off? First you need your key. Thankfully, this junkyard, we have the key. So give me a couple seconds. Okay. What I did was I pressed down on this and pushed this back. You're actually going to do this. And there are two screws to take this off and take this off, depending on how much you want to take off. You can literally take off everything.